Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about the Hunnystack earning platform withdrawal and how to withdraw from Hunnystack. Alright, some people are making research on how do we withdraw from Hunnystack and what are the withdrawal requirements. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to withdraw, and I will also unveil if this withdrawal is going to reflect in your account or not. For those of you who have been earning on the platform and then they ask you to place withdrawal, or you want to place withdrawal, or maybe you place withdrawal and you are not being paid, what is the reason and why are you not being paid? So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be exposing all that. All right, all you need to do is to pay attention to this video and listen to everything I have to say in this video. Should be case you miss the review video I made about this platform, the next video that is going to display is the full review video of that platform, so you can also watch it to get the few clue or to get the few gist about this platform. This is me just trying to talk about the withdrawal of this platform based on the questions and the queries I received from people, right? So let's talk about the withdrawal now. So first, before we proceed, my name is Sparky. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, what I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on this my channel. So if you are new to this my channel, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first person to be notified anytime, any day I release business tips and money making idea and legit earning applications on this my channel. All right, then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section. In my WhatsApp group, what we do there, we share business tips, money making ideas, legit ways of earning money, and teach people all that for free. All right, so all you need to do for you not to miss out, you can also join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the comment section of this video. All right, now before we proceed, for those of you who did not watch the first video I made about this platform, which is the full review, so it is very important you watch that video so that you will get to know the full gist about this platform. Now, what are the withdrawal requirements on this platform? The withdrawal requirement on this platform, known as Hunnystack, it requires you to have 3 invites. For you to be able to withdraw, you need to have 3 invites, which means you should invite the maximum of or the minimum of 3 people before you can be able to place your withdrawal. When one sign up, the person may receive $100, but if you try to withdraw it, they will ask you to invite 3 friends. All right, so to withdraw, you can click on this option here, withdraw earnings. So when you withdraw earnings, they'll ask you to put in your details, and then you can see the option of withdraw. So when you want to withdraw now, you can see here to unlock the earnings now. You can see this option here. They'll ask you to refer. You can see that the refer this thing is 0%. So you need 3 people for you to be able to place your withdrawal. All right. Now, the question is, if you withdraw this money, will you be paid? The answer is capital no. This platform known as Hunnystack is a fake earning platform. In the previous video, I exposed this platform, and then for those of you who are making endless research how to withdraw, or you withdraw, or you are looking for withdrawal proof and you have not seen it, the gospel truth is that this platform is not paying. All right, this platform is not paying. I have tried it and I found out that they are actually fake. If you have watched the first video I made, you will discover that I exposed this platform. They are only using people to generate traffic for their site. Example of this platform that are similar to this are MomoTube. For those of you who MomoTube wasted your effort, your time, and they did not pay you, this is another platform. And the another one is also Freestar. For those of you who also knows about Freestar, they are all the same. They don't pay. And I'm always saying this to my viewers, please, before you join any of all these platforms that claim that you can earn money, the first thing you should do is pick up your phone, go to YouTube, watch videos, listen to what people have to say about it, check feedback, check reviews, check Google. By so doing, you will be safe. You will not be wasting your time. You will not be wasting your data. You will not be wasting your energy. You will not be wasting your resources because of you want to earn money online. So the best way is to always make researches. So this platform doesn't pay. If you are thinking that you are going to withdraw on this platform, if you withdraw and it shows successful, you are not going to receive the payment. All right, it might be show successful, but you will never receive the payment. It's not all about showing successful, but it's all about will you be paid? The answer is capital no. So if you know you're on this site and you'll be wasting your data thinking that you will be paid, inviting unlimited friends with hope that you are going to get paid, my brother, my sister, the truth is that this platform, they are not paying. All right, Thank you for watching this video. And then if you have been paid on this platform, if perhaps you have been paid at all, me personally have not been paid, and a lot of people are saying negative things about this platform, that they have not been paid, their withdrawal are pending for months and they were not paid. Not even single person have been paid on this platform, according to the research I have made also. And also, as an experienced online hustler, I have come to realize that this platform is actually a fake platform, that are just wasting people's data, using them to generate traffic to this site, and that's all they do. All right. Thank you for watching this video. If you have been paid, you can also share your own personal experiences in the comment section, so that other viewers will get to know more about this platform. And then also make sure to watch the few review of this platform, so that you will be guided, you will not be carried away. All right. Thank you for watching this video. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. A lot of people are joining this platform on daily basis, thinking they are going to make a lot of money without knowing that this platform is a fake platform. And you may be saving someone today for them not to waste their data, their time, their energy by sharing this video. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you. And then if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, so that you will not miss any of my latest updates on money making online. Thank you.